Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the SIM and carrier voicemail are active, because the phone can only hold messages if the carrier routes them. Once done, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu, then Settings and Voicemail. Enter or verify your carrier voicemail number and set a PIN when prompted. This secures access and lets the phone retrieve messages automatically. Make sure notifications for the phone app are enabled so you won't miss new voicemails. Now configure how voicemails are saved and presented. If your Realme supports visual voicemail, enable it so messages download and display with transcriptions. Otherwise, use standard carrier voicemail sync. Record a clear personal greeting and set retention rules so messages aren't deleted prematurely. Grant the phone app storage and background data permissions to keep recordings intact and allow automatic downloads. Finally, set notification priority and ringtone. This ensures you see and hear new messages immediately without losing them to aggressive power management. Finish by testing. Call your number from a different phone and leave a message, then open the phone app to play and verify quality. Save important voicemails by exporting audio files or backing up to cloud storage so they survive resets. If messages fail to appear, make sure flight mode is off, reset network settings, and re-enter the voicemail number. These steps often clear routing problems. If that doesn't work, contact your carrier. Voicemail storage and routing are typically controlled on their side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.